Arellano Chiefs. The first half just ended with a score of 52-32 in favor of the Stags. As the boys prepare for the second half, let's enjoy the halftime performances of the Golden Stags cheerleading squad and the AU Pep squad. Speaking of halftime performances, we're all inviting you to watch the Samsung NCAA cheerleading competition, which will be held on October 9 here at the San Juan Arena. This is the NCAA Supremacy, only here on Studio 23.